Hey, Dan Passarelli here, and guess what? It's the weekend. Finally, we did it, right? So, what are you going to do this weekend? Well, look, I filled in for group coaching this week for Johnny Cat. He was on vacation, visiting Florida, as I recall. And there were a couple of trades that we talked about where we had to really drill down and go into some of their financial statements. They were just those sorts of trades where it benefited us to get some of that fundamental information. We don't necessarily have to do that on all trades, but some kind of require it. And during the trading day, when you have a lot going on, especially if you still have one of those boring JOBs and you have to trade along with that, sometimes it's hard to find the time to do that during the day. So what I like to do is on the weekends, maybe look at some of these things. Now, there's an important point with this. If trading is your thing and you want to move forward to it and really make it work, you have to enjoy it, right? So if it feels like work to you to have to do that on the weekend, maybe it's not a bad idea to reframe a little bit and think, why am I doing this? And what are the things that I enjoy about it? And maybe that can give you that extra oomph to do the things that are required to move forward and make better trades. And that's one of them. Also, I like to catch up on some reading some of the news so I get a better picture of the macroeconomic events that are going on that can shape the market. And the most important thing for traders to do on the weekend is to take a little bit of a break. That's one of the nice things about the market giving us these 2 days off, is that when we're really ingrained in trading, even if we enjoy it, it's nice to kind of just clear the mind a little bit, do some other things so that your brain grows in many different directions, and enjoy life. I hope that helps, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.